Welcome, guys, back to the abandoned flip. We had a storm not a storm, hurricane. Got the name of the hurricane, but we had one. I came here to check on the abandoned flip and these raggedy cars. I think the hurricane actually pretty much missed us, guys. Trees are falling all around us, but the abandoned flip has not been touched. I gotta check that room in the back though. That could actually collapse. Let's see. That may have collapsed. Hope not. Still gotta get this roof done. This is the main reason why we haven't started on this house yet. This stupid roof. Gotta find somebody to do it now. My dad was going to do it, but he's out of commission right now, so he's out of commission right now. And he's getting older, so you know, I think I gotta find somebody else. Pretty much, I gotta find somebody else to do the roof. Hope we haven't collapsed in the back. And it's kind of dark in here, so this is getting pretty bad. I don't want to fall through the floor. I gotta wash myself, because I will fall through the floor. Oh Lord, this ain't good. This ain't good at all. That seems okay over there, but right here, what's happening here? Oh man, it's leaking bad upstairs somewhere. It's leaking bad somewhere upstairs. See that? It's leaking bad somewhere upstairs. It's leaking. See, you got water here. Oh Lord, I gotta get in here, yo guys. I have to find another roofer. Gotta find another roofer. This house is gonna simply fall apart if I don't. I don't know how long I can record on this camera, guys. This is me recording on my newer camera, and so I don't know how long I got on this camera. But yeah, we have got to get in here, man. This thing is literally, it's going to just collapse if we don't. It's going to collapse if we don't. We got to get in here, guys. Are y'all ready to get in here with me? Looks kind of different back here. I don't know. Looks different. I wonder if somebody came in here and steal some of my stuff. No, the saw is still back there. That's still there. I'm pretty sure the hot water heater is there. I don't know. Yeah, we gotta get in here before it's too late. We gotta get in here before it's too late. Gotta get in here before it's too late. Gotta get that roof done before it's too late. Lord, I tell you, man. Thought I had it all figured out. Dad was gonna come do the roof. We were gonna come rewire this thing and put the new hot water heater, new everything pretty much. But well, him and my brother would do it, but I can help. I used to help back in the days when on his roofing jobs. I just would need help getting started. You know, because I don't remember it 100%. But yeah, we got to get in here before it's too late. I guess I'm gonna have to find someone else. I won't get nobody for that price, I can guarantee that. Oh, Lord, I don't know how much roofers charge now to do the roofs, but we gotta get it done this winter. This winter, I gotta get this thing going. I want to remove these old cars out here. Take the white Nissan Altima to the yard. And I'll pull this thing in the front yard right here. In the front yard here. Right out front. And just park it. I might even get rid of it, I don't know. I'm keeping the Altima for sure. Because I sell those pretty good. And that's a pretty good Altima. So I'm pretty sure I can sell that one pretty darn quick. But up there, you can see it's wet. And I believe this is that small bedroom up there. Yeah, this is that small bedroom. We gotta fix this. Can't do this. I might have to climb up there myself. And patch that little piece, because I think I know what that's coming from. Let's see. Gotta be careful here, because I will fall through the floor. And I will be hurt. So that's like 5-6 feet down. See, there's a spot up there. See if I can zoom in on that. Right there. Them shingles are missing right there. I believe that water is flowing in through there. Yeah. Okay. I think that's what it's doing. So, gotta get to work, man. I swear, this tree right here, one of these trees is gonna fall in this house and mess it up. But it did not. It's still looking good with trees falling all around us. But we are looking good. Came here. Let me see how much time we got on this camera. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know how long this thing recorded for. Is it still going? Am I talking to myself? Oh yes, we're only 9 minutes and 30 seconds in. We're good. We're good. But yeah, we got to get in here. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna fix this area right here. I'm gonna fix that area myself. I was looking up videos on how to do that on my own right there on YouTube. Here on YouTube. But I don't know if I got it yet. Don't know. Back here, I think, honestly, I think I can do this on my own. I can do this on my own up here. I can do this by myself. Okay? because we got the boards here to do it with. You can sister these things with these boards right here, 2x6 by I believe 12 feet, I believe. And we're gonna put one of them beside each of these old ones up here. And they was gonna just do up until this point, up until somewhere around this point right here, but I don't know. But I gotta stay out of here. I forgot these tips. This whole thing can collapse. You see, these tips are very thin. Very thin. Look at those tips. If I can zoom in on the tips. The tips are very thin. So if I go in here, this thing can actually collapse. And that would be the end. That would be the end. We don't want that. So we gotta be very careful. Gotta make another one of these things for these bolts right here. Now we gotta make another one for at least here into this spot right here. At least here to here. And get in here and get this thing done. Get it done. Oh, I feel pretty good about this, man. I was scared driving up here. I said I know trees are gonna be falling on this thing, and I know I would definitely be a stupid fool. I would be a stupid fool, and I should have just let it go. And I will be letting it go. If a tree fell in this house, it would have to go. Ain't no way I can now pay to get the roof repaired, get the structure repaired, then turn around and do the roofing. So thank you, Lord, that no trees fell on the house, on the abandoned flip. Thank you for that, Lord. No trees ain't fell on the old cars either. I think I'm going to put that windshield in here before I take it to the yard one. I'm going to put the windshield in here. Which the windshield is right there. You can see it. The windshield is over here. I got to watch my step because I don't know how bad this area is leaking over here. Feel pretty solid there. Yeah, but that's the windshield right there. Okay. That's the windshield. Still there, still in good condition. So I'm gonna put that thing in here. Got the windshield, the glue here. That's the glue gun. And we're gonna put that sucker in, and we're gonna take that car to yard one. Yeah. Get it cleaned up, and probably, I don't know, I probably gotta take that, I gotta probably take the dashboard out of that one too, because that water done leak on it so badly. But I'm gonna try to clean it up first, and I might have to change the radio, because last time I checked, this when the water dripped in there, it dripped and got into the radio screen. So I think the radio is damaged. So yeah, get this thing to yard one. I don't know when I'll be able to get to it, but it's got to get out of here, because we got to get all this trash back here. That's the first thing we're gonna do when we come here, before we start on any of the repairs back here. Okay. Before we start on any of the repairs, we have to, it's a big old animal around here somewhere. I'm just being careful. I don't know, it ain't a squirrel, it ain't a raccoon, it's something bigger. So I gotta watch it. Yeah, but we gotta clean up all this mess right here first before we do anything. Get this backyard cut up and cleaned up. First, move all this crap. clean all this crap up, get back here cut, cleaned out, looking like a backyard again. And then once we do all of that, we start in the room. Or we start on that part up there at the front. Clean this mess up first. Then move that car, that Monte Carlo, in the front yard. Then get this thing loaded up on the dolly. Take it to yard 1. Oh, I forgot. No, clean this up. Right? Clean it up. Move this car in the front. Put the windshield in here, because it got a big hole in it. And then get the dolly and get it out of here. I'll let you guys see in here. You can see in there? Got the doors locked. Let's see. Do I have the keys on here? Let's see. Do I have the keys? I don't think I got the keys. I got them on my other keychain where all my raggedy cars are at. Only thing I got is this right here. Oh, I got it. I do got it. I do got it. I have it. Yeah. Hope no animal in here. Be careful. We gotta be careful, guys. See there? Oh, it needs cleaning, man. This is bad. It's bad. It's bad. Got a lot of work to do. But this is a good car. This is one of the limited edition. Yeah, I gotta change that dash. I think I do. I think I gotta change it, guys. All right, let me close the thing. Yeah, these weeds are everywhere. Let me lock it. Okay. Yeah, that's what we gotta do. And that's what we're going to do. I waited around because I want to get cold out here. I don't like to be messing around in all these weeds and things. All these weeds and things when it's hot. I gotta worry about snakes, all kind of other crazy things. Hope that this popped off and nobody. Hope the wind knocked that off and not somebody just came and pulled it off on their own. But we got some sneaky people around here. Keep sending me the letters, asking me, do I want to sell and all kind of. I don't want to sell. Give me $175,000. I'll sell. I will let it go for $175,000. Then I can't and won't be a stupid fool. People have called me a stupid fool. I don't think I'm a stupid fool. Once this thing get done, it will worth a lot of money. A lot of money. Mr. Krabs, a lot of money. Money. All right, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. We came here. It was a success. The house is still in good condition. No, not in good condition, but a tree ain't fallen on it yet. So, to me, that's a win. We don't have a tree through the house. Okay. We don't have a tree through the house. That's a win. In my eyes, that is a win. No tree has fallen through the house. So guys, that's a win. That's a win. Love it. So I'll pick up this stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back at the abandoned flip, or when we're back in the yard. Yard 1 or 2, or maybe even 3.